What's up? It's Gad. Meet me at Aisha's place. We gotta figure out our next move.
You remind me.
Never! Get the fuck off me!
Getting mugged 30 times.
Whoa! I'll bring the general. This is insane.
Ooh.
Some thugs are having a row. What the? Been fun, babe.
God, I'd like to take her the black.
Go for the face.
Bitch.
The face. This ain't mine. It's my manager.
It's been a while since I twisted like that. Ooh, I think I pulled something.
Well, come on in. You want a beer?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Johnny, who's that?
Yo, come to the living room and find out.
Johnny, I don't care if you just broke out of jail. You do not mess with my furniture. Oh my God, it's you.
Surprised, Aisha?
What, that you're here or that you're talking?
Pick one.
We all thought you were dead.
I almost was.
Well, for someone who was blown to hell, you look great. Did you do something with your hair?
I've been getting that a lot.
Yo, can we get back to business?
What's the rush?
I've been cooped up on death row and that bitch has been laid out in a coma.
We definitely need to remind motherfuckers who we are.
And that can't wait until after dinner?
No.
You two haven't changed at all.
Well, you know, there's a saying about dogs and blowing shit up. So what's the plan?
We get our crew together. Once we got that, we can work on how we're taking back our city.
Sounds good.
And where were you planning on having this little meeting? No.
Well, this place is pretty spacious.
No.
The color's very soothing.
No.
Come on, Ish.
This ain't no fucking gang clubhouse.
Change of plans.
We gotta find a new place.
Yeah, you got it. Head over to the old mission house. We should be able to set up shop there.
Why don't we just set up shop at the church?
Altoids renovated it and turned it into a tourist trap.
You kidding me?
I wish I was. We gotta find a new place, and the mission house will be perfect.
Religious buildings are kind of been there, done that.
And we're not staying in the mission. Now check it out. Years ago, an earthquake dropped part of the city below sea level, and rather than clearing out the rubble, the city just built over it. There's an abandoned hotel below the mission that'll work for us.
All right, what's the catch?
We gotta evict the current tenants.
Sounds like fun.
Raisinets, laser pants, baconets, cigarettes, straight arrests, and vinaigrette. I got some cake on that save my kids in Bangladesh. Dennis numbers color shit, you can buy back. All on the corner, right here, right now. I take on calls, chase calls, street calls, race calls, and any legal tender with a white man in the center. You want it, baby, I got it. You need it, baby, go get it. If you want it, baby, I got what you need, what you need, what you need, what you need. You want it, baby, I got it. You need it, baby, go get it. If you want it, baby, I got what you need, what you need, what you need, what you need.
Oh my god! This is like my favorite band. I need to hear all that I've got.
Head over to the old mission house. We should be able to set up shop there.
Why don't we just set up shop at the church?
Altoids renovated it and turned it into a tourist trap.
You kidding me?
I wish I was. We gotta find a new place, and the mission house will be perfect.
Religious buildings are kind of been there, done that.
Now, we're not staying in the mission. Now, check it out. Years ago, an earthquake dropped part of the city below sea level, and rather than clearing out the rubble, the city just built over it. There's an abandoned hotel below the mission that'll work for us.
All right, what's the catch?
We gotta evict the current tenants.
Sounds like fun. This good. Feels good.
Looking for trouble. Just and you'll get
God might have mercy on
This is gonna hurt. What did I do? It's people like you. Hey! Brings death. The asphalt will what? Huh? Not to your kind. They're making a break for it. I got dibs on their bedroll, and their shoes, and their booze. Hell, oh, go dibs on your shanty. You shut it up. Come here. Oh, fuck. Bet you can't do that twice.
Let's clean this place up.
Oh, God.
Thought it was bad before. Just wait.
Taking heavy.
Fury!
Now, Johnny.
You're so surprised to join.
None of you are leaving alive.
You SOB! New York.
What the? That look. Somebody's propane. I don't need no help to take care of you. We ain't taking shit from your pipe. Shit. Minions.
Another good soldier down.
Please. Hobo.
You all ready to die?
I ain't being bullied no more. I am an unstoppable dream warrior. Tower like help! Savor the minty shit!
To the city.
They call me Hobo Dynamite!
¿Tú sabes quién somos?
Burn in your...
We need a medevac here.
If you're looking for...
Bravo unit. Attack. Captain, back me up.
Bang the drum of annihilation!
Well, give up.
So, what you think?
It's kind of a shithole.
True that. But it's a shithole with potential.
I don't know, man.
Oh, come on. A stripper pole, some flat screens, maybe some nicer furniture.
You had me at stripper pole.
Fucking A.